Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about another type of airdrop called Cysic. Alright, so I understand the fact that airdrops has been disappointing us back to back, but I needed to understand that airdrop that will pay you won't stress you. And also the popular term now is that airdrops are dead and it doesn't pay any longer. I need you to understand that airdrop that will pay you is still coming. If you give up on airdrop right now, when the one that will pay you comes up, you are going to be missing it. After all, airdrop are free and it doesn't require anything. Any airdrop that requires you to input any funds, it means you should run away and shouldn't engage on that. At least we have learned that one. All right, so right guys, we are going to be talking about another type of airdrop totally free. It is called Cysic and they raised about $18 million, and you can see they are being funded by a lot of top investors like OKEx and the rest. So over here guys, to participate on this airdrop is quite very simple, and on this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to participate on it totally free. It doesn't require any funding. So before we go ahead and participate on it, let me show you guys what you need to know right here. So coming over here to the X account, you can see that they have a open 152,000 followers, and they are being followed by a lot of top crypto guys and projects right here on the crypto space, and they are currently on their testnet tree, and this is the best time that you can join their project. So right now, watch out closely. So the first thing you need to do before you can be able to participate on this airdrop is to go ahead and click on the link down below the video description so you can get to this website. All right, so here is their website right here. All right, so their website is app.cysic.xyz. so over here guys, this is where you are required to do some few simple stuffs that's going to be positioning you to gain from this airdrop. So one thing that I need you to understand, that airdrop that will pay you are those airdrop that are not popular. Once an airdrop project is overhyped or once it is too popular, it is very likely that the airdrop won't pay as expected, because if a larger number of people are already participating on it, it means that they won't be able to, some of them won't have enough money that will reach out to everyone. So this type of airdrop is a kind of hidden, not yet popular, and this is the best time that you can actually join it. All right, so over here guys, right now, once you have gotten yourself to this website, you are going to be required to input an invite code. That's mandatory. So I'll be leaving the invite code down below the video description as well, so that you can be able to join and get yourself ready. So once you join in, you are going to require to set up your profile where you put your picture and of course select your name, and you are done. You are going to be brought right here. So if you are using a web browser for this, you need to make sure that your browser is on landscape mode. Make sure it is not on portrait mode. What I mean is, make sure that your phone is like this and not like this, so that most of all the features are going to be showing on your own as well. All right, so right now guys, once you are at this point, first thing that you need to do is to click over here that we have this tap like icon. You click on it. This is where you are going to be claiming from the first set. You are going to be claiming 0.1 CYS, which is the ticker for the token. You are going to be claiming it once every 24 hours. So I will click on claim right now. So right now you can see I've successfully claimed from this faucet right now, and I need to wait after 24 hours before I can be able to claim another one. So right now, once you have claimed this right now, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click over here that we have portal. Okay, you click on user portal. We are mostly concerned with the airdrop. We doesn't really have much to do about the project, whatever. What we want is just the airdrop. But if you have any reasons to go ahead and partner with them or whatsoever, it is totally up to you. But on this channel, I'm focusing on the airdrop. That's where we are going to be making our money. So right now guys, you can see we are right now on the user portal, and over here guys, you have claimed this 0.1 CYS, and you are going to be required to convert it and then stake it. But before you go ahead and convert and stake, you need to go ahead and bind your social media account. For example, you are going to require to bind your email, X account, and Discord. As you can see, I've already binded mine. So over here guys, you set up your profile, and right here when you scroll down, you are going to be seeing your invite code right here. So once you are registering, this is the right invite code for you to use, which is 65 capital letter A and 52. This is your invite code while registering. Okay, so right now you go ahead and copy this invite code and use it for your own registration. So once you're at this point, once you have claimed from the faucet, you need to come over here, then click on convert. So once you click on convert, we are going to be converting every single thing. So I'm going to be typing in 0.1, sorry, 0.1. Okay, so we go ahead and click on convert. So over here you can see reserve 0. Okay, I think I need to reserve something. So let me try this one more time. Okay, let me try one more time, 0.05. So right now I will click on convert right now. Let me see if I'm going to be getting reserve balance. I think I'm going to be able to stake as from tomorrow, because I think they need my balance to be more than 0.1 CYS. That's what I'm understanding right here. But one thing you need to know is that you are going to be required to come over here and convert from CYS to CGT, and then you stake it. All right, so right now let's proceed. So over here you can see this is where you stake your CGT. All right, so this is where you stake it after converting it. All right, so right now let's go to the next thing. The next thing you need to do is that you need to come over here that we have social task. All right, so we need to come over here that we have social task. Over here you are going to be required to complete some certain tasks in order for you to, you know, claim some reward. Okay, but before you go ahead and do that, you need to add Kepler wallet extension. So the link to Kepler wallet extension is going to be right there on the video description as well. So this is your Kepler wallet right here, the extension. Make sure that you are using Mrs. Browser so that you can be able to, you know, add it successfully. So once you have added it, it is going to be showing up right here. Okay, bear with me, let me show you. It is going to be showing up right here among your extensions, and you need to go ahead and set it up. All right, make sure that you have set your Kepler wallet up so that everything will be free and easy for you. All right, so once you have set up your wallet, then you need to come back right here over here, then you go ahead and then click on check to actually confirm if you have actually connected or bound your Kepler wallet. So a lot of people may be asking question, how do I actually connect my Kepler wallet? So to be able to connect it, you click over here on user portal as well, and you scroll down. Then over here, this is where you are going to be seeing the option of connecting your wallet before you see convert and stake. All right, so over here guys, you go back to the task right here. So I've completed one task right there, so I have other tasks to complete. Okay, so I will go ahead and keep checking on them because I've completed many of them. Okay, why does it keep failing? Okay, those ones that I've done are okay. I haven't completed this one. So bind X, okay, I've claimed it. Follow, I think I've followed as well. So let me see what I'm gonna have right here. So over here we have I've already done this, but I don't know why it's failing. So bound Discord, I bound Discord, so this one will go as well. So you can see I've completed some of the tasks right here. Okay, bind Kepler wallet, use the same address as EVM address. Of course, okay, I've claimed it. Claim faucet for 3 days. No, I've only claimed once, so I can't claim this one right now. I've already followed the X account, but it is still not going through, so I think I'm gonna have to try again maybe later. All right, so this is literally all you need to know right now. So over here guys, you can see you have the advanced tasks. Once you have staked up to 10,000 CGT, you are going to be claiming all this reward right here. So I think basically this is all you need to know right now concerning this Cysic airdrop. All right, so another thing that you need to do, very important, is to come over here on invite. Then you go ahead and invite as many people as you can. So this is totally free. Remember, this is your invite code while registering, so that you are going to be getting bonus. I'm going to be getting bonus as well. So, and of course we have the multiplier. This multiplier actually unlock based on how many persons that you have actually invited, and the higher you invite, the higher your multiplier, which is in turn going to be giving you a higher allocation later when the airdrop claiming is going to be going live. So this is basically all you need to know right now. Once a new update drops, I'll be letting you guys know, and from there we will be good to go. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon. Do not forget that more updates are going to be shared on our Telegram. Use the link right there on the video description box to actually get yourself latest information every single day. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.